Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Remax in El Nido, Philippines. Come check our Airbnb out. This one is so
Okay,
cool.
so here we are, Cliff Tower Apartments. And so this is up above what I believe is like a dental place. The whole family lives on this portion, and then their guest unit is all the way up at the top. As you can see, we are all the way up against these nice, beautiful rock cliffs. Little kids playing hide and seek here as well. They play the same games as we all do in America. Our street view, just kind of looking down. And then from this way, you would hit the beach, maybe about like a 3-minute walk. Got kind of like a carnival type thing right behind us with some slides where the little girl's going into. Not sure what her brother's saying, but he's gonna get her. And so we come down this alley, guest and staff only. Looking up, we've got some nice greenery. And you go down this dark hallway and you wonder, where am I going, right? We have to find out. So a lot of these doors, I'm not gonna open them up because I don't know where they go to, but eventually we are going all the way up. So you're gonna hear me huffing and puffing. So here's the door to get back here. Just kind of a sitting area before you start to climb. Brother lives right here. Not entirely sure what's back there. But I want you to compare this to America. Like, we would never have steps you could fall off of. That's for sure. Rise over run. A bit steep for America's taste. Kind of pan up and let you see where we're going. And these stairs are built out of mango wood, kind of a natural product that they all use here, and then some bamboo fencing. Once we get closer up, I'm gonna kind of peek the phone over the edge and let you see it. Here's another no-no in America. This is to my thigh really quick, and one could easily fall out over here. But look at all this. Isn't this crazy? Got the air conditioner unit for the unit downstairs right here. So these steps start to get really like concrete. Oh no, that wouldn't be allowed. Kind of showing you their water source down there. They're getting water. And here's our view. We start to get a little peekaboo view of the ocean out there, but not quite yet. And here we've got the Penthouse El Nido, guest access only. That would be me this weekend. And here's again, looking out the back, but like, look at these Yosemite sized, and no climbers out here. And what's interesting is like, check out some of these like holes in here. Like look at that thing. I want to know what's in there. And if somebody can get in there. Start to kind of see the village behind us. That's where all the locals are, up against the rock. And I can't wait to show you this one house in particular. It's pretty funny. So here, can't really see it too much, but it's like right here-ish. You have the ocean view. This is a 3-minute walk to the beach. And this is one of my favorite Airbnbs that I have ever seen before. So this is it so far. Okay, so here we are at the top. We've got these bamboo products on the roof. That's not the actual roof. I think it's a metal roof because I had seen it from farther away. But everything's kind of made out of like a concrete, which I just love. And I especially love the floors because it's like a whitish grayish concrete. And then the whole kitchen is made out of concrete too. But check this out. This is a little bed. So you can come in here, hike my dress up, and get up here. This is like a twin and a half bed up here. Nice and cozy little place to stay. I'm gonna lean you over the edge. I haven't had the guts to look yet at what it looks like, how far. Oh my gosh, wow, that's scary. I don't know. But see, if I brought my kids here, I would be so concerned about that spot right there. That's a long way down. And here is the one thing I was telling you about I want to point out to you. Look at this building over here. It's like literally connected to the rock. It is soldered into the rock. That would be uninsurable, I would think, in California to be that close to a cliff. I wonder if something's ever happened there before. Oh, that makes me nervous just looking at that right there. So I'm gonna move over and get down really quick, and we'll go check out the kitchen. So we've got, again, just like one piece concrete, white concrete, little freezer here. It is cold. And the fridge. And then they've got kind of all your essentials. Some coffee, some pasta, some spices and things, a little dish rack, and a little plastic sink. Good water pressure. Cannot drink the water here. You have to use this device, which will give you hot, boiling hot, or just room temperature water. And then we have our oven right here. We also have storage, and again, this is that bamboo, or not bamboo wood, but the mango wood, which is, I think, becoming my favorite wood. And here, what's that? Look at that. Oh my gosh, he's joined us for the tour. And then coming over, we've got the bathtub. So with the bathtub, this is a special feature in the apartment. Look at him. You know how Big Bear has spiders? They have geckos. So we were asked by the guests if we want to, or by the owners, if we want to use this to give them an hour and a half heads up to fill this up, because they will come up here and run it for you. But an hour and a half, I don't want to waste that much water. I feel like that seems really rude of me. And then here we have, this is a projector screen. So if we give her notice, she'll come up here and set this up for us too. And then there's a little projector, and then you can watch the movie from the bed up here. And there you can see the projector built into the wall. It's a cool feature. One of the reasons why we chose this one, the reviews were great. We love staying above like businesses and stuff. Love going down weird hallways to get to such a beautiful place. You know, you're kind of surrounded by love and great people, I promise. Like, it looks really terrifying, but I would walk down any of these streets at night alone, unarmed. And like, look at these spires over here. That is really awesome. There's a canopy walk over here that we're gonna be doing tomorrow where you attach yourself and then you kind of hug yourself along these walls and you walk. I haven't quite looked for people out there yet, but it does exist, but it's just too late tonight. So, a little dining area. Okay, so here we have the little dining area. And this place is only made for 2 people, so that's why it's like a little love retreat. Then we've got these single pane, my fingers don't touch, single pane sliding doors to get inside. And all this inside is just like the bedroom, the sitting area, and the bathroom. So take a little second to kind of just admire all the touches in this artistic, beautiful place that these people set up for us. Here we've got, this is basically like you can hang your keys, but it's got like the electrical panel hidden behind it, which is kind of a neat thing. This is going to be the AC and the heater. The AC is on and it feels wonderful. I love the ceiling with the bamboo and the design in there. And then the floors, same as outside in the kitchen area. It's just kind of like a concrete. They've got some natural cracks in it and stuff. Bamboo blinds that roll up. And then here we have a queen size bed. And this is actually a way better mattress than some of the other places that we've been staying. A lot of them are very simple part of a mattress, so not too much cush to it. But this one's about 1 foot deep maybe. So looking forward to staying on that. Love these backlit little half moon storage areas. Really kind of cool. Everything's like kind of beiges and whites and browns and grays in here. And then here we have the office area. You can look out the window right here. Our AC unit up above it. And you got that beautiful view of those spires right there. But a nice little desk just to sit here and work if you need to, which I'll be working because I have to answer some of you all. Here we have storage. So just like on a little emergency light thing, you do have a closet-ish type thing. And then some board games, hair dryer, 2 different safes. So probably gonna use that for passports and such. But the crime rate here is like nothing. So honestly, I'm not too worried about it, but you always have to take precautions. So here we have this beautiful door. It does have a little bit of a problem closing, like it's not completely on. It's really neat how everything's just simple product, you know? And then you're coming in. We have an above mount sink with that same concrete, some storage down below, places for the towels and such. Little toothpaste, dental kits. Oh, there's another light. So cute. Toilet, and then their little device, kind of like their bidet. Really like their towels too. Every time I go into an Airbnb, I'm always like curious when I see a nice bed sheet. I always like to look and see what brand it is because I think sheets and towels can really make a good decision for people. So here we have all just concrete. Do have a piece of glass right here separating it. Rainfall shower. And you got like 4 different devices on this guy. So you got a rainfall shower, you got the handheld, you got a spray device. You've also got this one that changes between all 3, but it also is a hose just for like your feet too. We've also got another half lit thing. Look how that little light is in there too. That's really cute. And then the drain down here. So the one thing You know, and it's little tiny things that are funny in here. But one thing I would say is like the bathroom's not completely closed off from the bedroom, but it's, I think, a wonderful place. Let me know what you think of this cute little Airbnb, if you would stay here. But I've also, being here has reminded me how much I love real estate, and I've been looking in other countries. What country would you buy in? Because for me, I'm starting to look at my future, and I think the next purchase, I'm either thinking Phuket as a condo, or Cebu, or Bali. So if you had, you know, a couple $100,000 to throw at something, what would you choose? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon. Bye.